Taxes are a large part of business, and it's extremely important you know how to set them up. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to enable taxes and configure some basic tax options in WooCommerce. Let's check it out. Before we get started, I want to stress that this video is intended to show you how to enable taxes and some of the basic tax options within WooCommerce. You should always work with a tax professional or accountant to make sure that your business is set up for success, so that you can charge your customers the accurate tax rates and to make sure that you file and pay your taxes correctly. Okay, now that I've mentioned that, let's take a look at how to enable taxes in WooCommerce. I'm going to start off at the WordPress admin dashboard. Select WooCommerce, then select Settings. Scroll down and check the box next to Enable Tax Rates and Calculations, and then select Save Changes. After you enable taxes, you'll see that there's a tax tab in the WooCommerce settings. I'm going to scroll up and select the tax tab. In this video, I'm going to focus on the tax options. Let's start off with prices entered with tax, as it's important. Selecting yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax, which means that you'll need to factor in the tax of your store's base tax into the price of your products. Selecting no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax, which will display the base price of your products and then calculate the tax during checkout. This is one of the more common ways that taxes are calculated when shopping online. After selecting your shipping tax class, you'll want to scroll down and make sure that the display prices in the shop and display prices during cart and checkout match what you selected for prices entered with tax. So if I chose no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. I'll select excluding tax from the drop-down next to display prices in the shop, and also select excluding tax next to display prices during cart and checkout. If you chose yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax, you'll choose including tax in both fields. The calculate tax based on field will give you three options and will determine which address is used for calculating tax: customer shipping address, customer billing address, shop base address. If you choose to go with shop base address, your taxes will be calculated based on the tax rate of address where your store is located. I'm going to select customer shipping address. The shipping tax class field allows you to optionally control which tax class shipping gets. Some items may qualify for a reduced shipping tax rate, so you'll want to check with a tax professional to see if any of the items that you ship qualify for one of these tax classes. I'm going to leave this set to shipping tax class based on cart items for now. You can check the box here if you'd like to round tax at the subtotal level instead of line level. This is another selection where you'll want to check with a tax professional or your tax jurisdiction. The price display suffix field will allow you to display what type of tax is included in the price. You can enter a placeholder in this field that will display before and after the price. The last field is for how you would like the tax total to display. You can select the drop-down and choose between as a single total or itemized. Choosing itemized will display an itemized list of taxes. Once you have everything set up, select Save Changes. These are just the basics of the tax settings that you can set up in WooCommerce. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.